Hello everyone, and in today's video I will show you how to withdraw money from Payoneer to bank account. Go and open Payoneer on your browser and log into your account, and once you log in you will have to navigate to withdraw and convert, then choose withdraw to bank. Now you should keep in mind that you should have some banks added to your own Payoneer account in order to withdraw your money on it. And now because I already have one added, I can withdraw by clicking on withdraw now. I just have to click on next and go through the steps. But now let's say that you want to add a new account. You'll go through the steps, then click on add new account, or you can go back to this section, then click on manage bank accounts and click on add account right here. Now I'll simply click on add account, and now you will have to add your bank account type, the bank country, and the currency. Then click on next, and after that you'll have to enter your account details, including the IBAN, bank name, and account name holder. Then click on I confirm the bank account details, then click on next, and after that a message will be sent to Payoneer and they will approve your bank if all your data is correct. And when you go back, you will find it here in the banks section, bank accounts for withdrawal. But here I will go back to withdraw and convert, and after that I will click on withdraw to bank. This step you'll have to do it after you add the bank account, then click on when do you want to withdraw, then click on next. I will want to withdraw it now, and now you have to choose the recipient account of yours, the bank account that you have. Just click on this arrow, then choose the account and type here the amount of money that you want to withdraw. Type here a description, then click on review, and after that there will be a step further. You just have to review the account of money, and after that it will show you how much fees are you going to pay. Then click on withdraw, and by this way your money will be withdrawn. It can take from 1 to 3 business days to transact the money from your Payoneer account to your bank account, and in some cases it may take up to 5 days if you have done the withdraw in holidays. And that's pretty much it. Please support us with like, subscribe, hit that bell icon to get all the new videos. Thanks for watching and goodbye.